Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Katie. Today I am filming a very exciting update for my 2021 rolling project pan. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first product I am working on is my Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. And I wanted to use this at least 20 times, and I did. So a lot of the lines got rubbed off, but I think I was at this line last time and now I'm down to here. There's very little left, but this is taking me a lot longer than I thought it might, but this is probably one of my favorite foundations, so I don't mind that. So this will be staying in, and next time I want to use that at least 15 times. The next product I have been working on is my Essence eyeliner. This is just in a nude shade. It's called 06 Silky Nude. And I wanted to use this at least 20 times, and I used it 24. I don't really have, oh yeah, I guess I do have a new line. I think I started here, and I think this was my progress. Unless that was from last time. Who knows? But anyway, this is how much is left. I won't finish this by the end of the year, but again, I'll probably roll this into my project pan next year. And I am really enjoying it. I am wearing both the foundation and the eyeliner today. And then the next product I am working on is my Becca Powder. And I wanted to use this at least 20 times. I actually only had to use it 10 more times before it was finished. So I'm really happy. This took, I think this has been in from the beginning. So it took, I think, 7.5 months to finish this little baby. Although I did not use this all over my face. I mostly just used it on my under eyes. But this was just okay. I wouldn't repurchase, but I'm happy to have finished this. The next one is a very, very exciting update. It is my Wet n Wild blush, and I wanted to use it 15 times, and I did, and I finally hit pan. This has been in since the beginning as well, so this took about 8 months to hit pan on. So I am very proud of that. It's so hard for me to hit pan in a blush, but I love this blush, so I was not sad to be working on it, but I will be rolling this out. I'm not going to roll in another blush because I kind of just want to play around with the blushes in my collection for a while. We'll see if I end up rolling one in later. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. And then the next one is another really exciting update. It is my Natasha Denona highlight. I wanted to use it 15 times. And I actually ended up using it 24, and I hit pan on this after 21 more uses. And again, this is something that has been in the whole project, but there is my pan. I am so excited. It takes me a long time again to hit pan in a highlighter, so this is another really big accomplishment. And I will be rolling this out and rolling in a new highlighter, so definitely stay tuned for that. The next product I am working on is my Nyx Butter Gloss, and I wanted to use this 15 times, and I did. The stopper is out of this because I wasn't getting enough product out. I was here last time, and now I'm down to here. But when I look in the bottom, I can actually see all the way down to the bottom of the package. So I do think I will finish this soon, at least in the next month or two. And I really do enjoy this, and I would actually repurchase this one. But that is staying in for now. And then the next one I was working on is my Clinique Bronzer. I wanted to use this at least 20 times, and I used it 22. And my goal with this one was to get the ring visible throughout, the first ring visible throughout the whole pan. And I think I've done that. You can let me know what you think, but I am going to be rolling this out. I'm just not that excited about tracking my usage on this anymore. I'll still use this, but I probably just won't track it. But I am happy with the amount of use I've gotten on this bronzer, and I do really like this. And then the next product I have is my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I have been working on panning 3 shades throughout the year, and I only had one left that I hadn't yet hit pan on, and that shade is Luscious, and I wanted to use it 8 times. I actually used it 9, and I did hit pan. A pretty good pan, and there's a pretty good dip around it. I could potentially see myself using this up eventually. I love this shadow. But that's another really exciting update. I have 3 new pans this update, and that like never happens. The next product I am working on is my I was working on Marc Jacobs, and then I rolled in this Wild Bloom perfume instead. And my goal is just to use this 20 times. I have used this 11 times so far, and this is where I'm at. So I'm like just below here. So I want to use this at least 9 more times, and then I will probably roll in another perfume to do usage goals on. But I really do enjoy this perfume. It's a really nice one. It's from Banana Republic, and this is the Wild Bloom Vert. And this is the 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. And then the other product I'm working on is my CoverGirl concealer. I wanted to use this at least 15 times. And I actually ended up using it 26 times, but this is still going strong. I did draw a new line, but that is not a lot of progress for 26 uses. But I'm not exactly sure where I'm at in this product. It's kind of hard to tell. There is a lot of product sticking to the sides, even though it is pretty far down. When I move the wand around, there's a lot of like windowing. So it is pretty empty like up to that point, but yeah. I really do love this concealer. There is I think a lot more product in this than I thought there was. This is 10 mils or 0.33 fluid ounces. I'm not sure if that's standard or not, but I would definitely repurchase this. But I'm still enjoying this one, although this won't match me for that much longer, so we'll have to see about that. And then the next product I am working on is my Becca Color Corrector. I wanted to use this at least 10 times, but I actually ended up using it 33 times, which is a lot. I just want to hit pan on this, which I haven't done yet, but I'm just going to keep working on this one. I am kind of close, I think. There's a really big dip in it. I did actually just purchase a backup of this because it's my favorite color corrector, and Becca will no longer be in business soon, but I do want to use this at least 15 times for next time. And again, the concealer at least 15 times, the powder or the lip gloss at least 15 times. And then I am going to roll in a couple of new things. In place of the powder, I'm rolling in my Hourglass Powder. And I want to use this at least 20 times. I've already been using this and really enjoying it. Actually, I started tracking my uses, and I have already used this 20 times. And I love this. I love this all over the face too. I would definitely purchase a full size of this, but I did draw a line. I'm starting up to here. So yeah, we will see how long it takes me to finish this one. And then I did want to roll in a new highlight. So I am rolling in this highlight from Pixi. Whoops, just dropped it. This is the Pixi Highlighter Glowy Glossomer Duo and Delicate Doom. There's quite a bit of highlight in this, but I want to start working on this. I just want to hit pan on one side. This is what it's starting out looking like. I definitely have used it, but like There's no dip or anything. I'll probably end up hitting pan in the pink side is what I'm thinking. But yeah, I want to use this one at least 15 times before the next update. And then I wanted to roll in an eyeliner. This is my ABH liquid eyeliner. It's just their liquid liner in black, but this is getting kind of old, so I do want to make sure I get some good use on it before it goes bad. So I want to use this at least 10 times before the next update. And then lastly, I wanted to roll in this face spray from ColourPop. This is their Mellow Milk Comforting Mist. And I'm starting right here. And I'd like to get about halfway on this at least. I've been really struggling using this. So I want to get down at least to like the top of Mellow Milk. So hopefully by putting this in this project pan, it'll help me use it more. I do have a backup of this as well, because this used to be my favorite face spray, and it would go out of stock for quite a while. So when it came in stock, I did buy 2, but I don't really like it anymore. The sprayer isn't as good as it used to be, so that makes me not like it as much, but I would like to not let this go to waste, so I'm adding this in. I'm not gonna track my usage on this because I just keep it in my bathroom, so we will just track my progress on this one. So that is all I have for my update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a really good update for me. 3 new pans, a couple other rollouts, so that was amazing. And I'm really excited about the products I am working on. So if you like this video, definitely consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.